Hey, what's up you guys? Thank you for tuning into our U-Haul channel. Today we'd like to talk to you about the retractable ratchet tie down by S-Line. Now, if you don't like dealing with the excess strap that's left over when securing any load with any type of tie down, this product is going to work great for you. This has a retractable storage space which helps limit how much excess strap is left over, makes it so they don't get tangled up. Really gives you a nice organized, secure load when using it. To take a look at a few of the specifications for this ratchet, this particular one is 15 feet long and has a working load limit of 500 pounds. And so to kind of take a better look at how this works, let's go ahead and open it up. All right, now that we have it out of the package, let's go ahead and take a better look at this product. Now, the first thing that really pops out when you look at it is the organization. It is nice and organized, and once again, this is 15 feet of tie down. I guarantee you take any other ratchet strap or any tie down of any kind that's 15 feet long, and you try to organize it like this, it's not gonna look that good. This is nice and organized and out of the way. If you have a place where you like to keep all your ratchets and all your tie downs, you can throw this in there and it's not getting tangled up. It's going to be separate and you don't have to worry about that the next time you're pulling out your tie downs from your bin. Now, when you look at both the ends here, they have the coated S hooks. They're rounded and soft to prevent scratching. They also have the nice safety clips right there, so when you're hooking it onto something, it's going to stay right on and help prevent it from popping off. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the main part of this ratchet, and that is the retractable ratchet itself. Now, really cool product. To kind of use it, you just put it in the 90-degree angle right there, and flows nice and easy. Cool thing about this, it has the gear spring design in there which restricts accelerated retraction, which is really nice. Let's say you get this nice and tight on one of your loads and you go to, release it. You don't have to worry about it flying into your face. It goes and retracts nice and slowly. As you can see, you kind of need to help it at times because it goes nice and slow. So to kind of take a better look at it, you would take it and retract it to the position you want, and then you would end up clipping it down. Now, when you have it in your desired position, you just, like a normal ratchet strap, go ahead and crank it to its desired spot, and it glides nice and easy when using the ratchet, which is really nice. And then when you have it to where you need it, nice and tight. To take a better look at the fabric itself while we're there, it's a very soft webbing compared to other ratchet straps and tie downs that we've used. It's one of the softest that we've felt. And when you're done securing your load and you need to release it, you just take it and put it in the horizontal position right there to release it, and you just pull it out just enough where it retracts all the way in. All right, once again, this is the 15-foot retractable ratchet tie down by S-Line. If you are interested in this product, you can find it on uhaul.com. And be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews for your hauling needs.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, visit us online today at uhaul.com.